How to fix screen won't turn on in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Now open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Again, open settings, scroll down, open general management, scroll down, click on reset, scroll down, click on factory data reset, scroll down, click on reset. After click on reset, your your photo, videos or data will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix screen won't turn on in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.